Hello, folks. Thanks for joining us, as always, on the 2-minute challenges. We want to do something a little different today. We want to start it off with thanking you for subscribing. We're up to 100 subscribers and counting. Tell a friend so we'll be able to grow a little bit more. Every subscriber counts. All right. With that said, let's go ahead and get into today's question. If you're ready, here we go. You stepped outside your home and there's a bush with a bird's nest. You notice a baby bird had fallen out of the nest and is down on the ground. It's got some wings. It was like it was practicing to fly. What do? Do you go over and pick that bird up and put him back into the nest? Or do you say, I'm gonna let Mother Nature work this out. It's been doing it forever. Maybe birds know how to get back up there, and just leave it alone? Let us know. And while you're putting in your comments, let's go over yesterday's question. On yesterday, we asked, what if you had a company policy change on your job? They were no longer doing 5-day work weeks. They said the new option is you can work 4 days or 3. The 3 days you would have to do on the weekends. The 4 days you would have all weekends off. Well, majority of the people in the comments section said that they would do the 4-day option and be off on the weekends. Me, I agree. It's tempting to go to a 3-day work week and have a lot of time off 4 consecutive days, but I think I'd rather have those weekends. Seems like that's when the busy season is. All right, folks, that's going to do it for today's show. As always, we want to ask that you invite a friend to come join us. Tell them that we're having fun over here with questions. And until we see you again, take care.
Come on back and see if you can get with this. Come on back and play some